The world of deepfake technology. It's like stepping into a sci-fi movie, but here we are in 2024, and it's as real as ever. Deepfakes have come a long way, from being a controversial tool to something that's now widely used for entertainment, education, and even in the creative industry. And guess what? You don't have to break the bank to get your hands on some of the coolest deepfake tools out there. So, buckle up as we dive into the top 5 free deepfake tools that are making waves this year. You're in for a treat. 1. Deepfake. First up, and stealing the spotlight, is Deepfake. It's like the Swiss Army knife of deepfake tools. Whether you're a beginner dipping your toes into the deepfake waters or a seasoned pro, Deepfake has got something for everyone. It's packed with features that let you swap faces, manipulate lip movements, and so much more. The best part? It's completely free and has a supportive community that's always ready to lend a hand. FaceSwap. Next on the list is FaceSwap, and let me tell you, it's not just riding on the coattails of its name. This tool is all about giving you the power to swap faces in videos and images with precision. It's user-friendly, making it a hit among beginners. Plus, it's open source, which means a bunch of brilliant minds are constantly working to make it better. FaceSwap is your go-to if you're looking to create deepfakes without getting tangled in overly complex software. So, now, here's a game changer from the East. So, it took the internet by storm with its ability to swap faces in videos in just a few clicks. Imagine seeing yourself starring in iconic movie scenes or popular TV shows. That's Zao for you. It's incredibly intuitive and perfect for those quick, fun experiments with deepfake technology. And yes, it's free, though you might need to navigate through some language barriers. Deep art. Taking a slight detour from the traditional path, deep art is for the artists out there. Ever wondered what you'd look like painted by Van Gogh or Picasso? Deep art uses deepfake technology to turn your photos into artworks mimicking the styles of famous artists. It's not your typical deepfake tool, but it's a fantastic way to see how technology and art can merge to create something breathtaking. MyHeritage Deep Nostalgia. Last but definitely not least, we have MyHeritage Deep Nostalgia. This tool tugs at the heartstrings by bringing old family photos to life. It animates faces in still photos, making it seem like your ancestors are smiling, blinking, and turning their heads. It's a beautiful way to connect with your past and see history in motion. While it's part of a genealogy platform, MyHeritage offers a few free animations to get you started. And there you have it, folks. The top 5 free deepfake tools in 2024 that are as exciting as they are innovative. Whether you're looking to create something fun, artistic, or deeply personal, there's a tool out there for you.